sustainability with performance, and the thrill of the present with the needs not just of tomorrow, but of decades to come. The 2011 HS Hybrid. By efficient, we're not referring solely to fuel economy. The HS Hybrid has an EPA combined rating of 35 miles per gallon, making it not just the most fuel-efficient luxury vehicle, but one with a combined rating that's approximately 59% more efficient than its main competitors in its segment. It's also about the 2.4-liter Atkinson cycle power plant at the heart of the latest Lexus hybrid drive system, one which works with the electric motor to deliver 187 total system horsepower while using regular gasoline and keeping emissions low enough to merit a super ultra-low emission vehicle rating. With Safety Connect, you can receive emergency help at a moment's notice. The Safety Connect service also features automatic collision notification. The 2011 HS Hybrid. Great steps forward in several directions at once.
Now more than ever, car buyers are looking for something they can count on. At Germain Lexus of Easton, it's known as quality, dependability, and reliability. Germain Lexus also offers the largest selection of Lexus vehicles in Ohio, along with world-class customer service. Not to mention, Germain Lexus has received the prestigious Elite of Lexus Award every year since opening in 2001. Come experience luxury the Germain way at Lexus of Easton, conveniently located at Easton Town Center.